Hello and welcome to another marketing happy hour. Feel free to crack a cold one and let's get right into it. Today we are covering part 2 of how to track phone calls and phone call conversions on your Google Ads campaigns. The last video, if you want to go back, we talked about what a phone call extension is and how to set that up. Today we're going to talk about something that's relatively new to Google Ads, and that is phone call forwarding. In the past, you used to have to use a third-party service. We would use CallRail, and that basically creates a number that then forwards to your main line just to track how long that call was, who it came from, help to send reports to our clients to let us know how we're doing on the phone call side of their business. Google has since added a feature that's very similar to that. This will be down here. Let me take you back actually, and we'll go into goals to create that. So if you're on your homepage, click on goals, create conversion action, phone calls, and then it'll be the second one, calls to a phone number on your website. You'll see on the right side here, it says track when someone interacts with one of your ads, then calls your business from a number on your website. This option requires Google forwarding numbers, which are only available in certain countries. So essentially, it creates a proxy number that is called and then routed to your main line, whatever phone number you're using. And that's only happening in your ads. That allows Google to tally when you're getting phone calls. So let's jump into that. The first thing we want to do is name it. In the last video, we did phone calls extensions. What I like to do is usually name this one phone call forwarding. And this will be any number you have on your website, as long as you're using it consistently. And I'll show you that in a second. If they call that number, it gets replaced in an ad, that phone number on your page. And anytime it's called, it gets tracked. We'll just do same value for each conversion. Let's say a call is worth $30 to my business. And then let's do the destination number. Okay, so I'm working on a client right now. This is their main number. So let's go ahead and take that and say this is where that is going. I'll go ahead and format that properly. And then the display number is enter the phone number people see when currently on your website, and that should be replaced. So basically Google is saying, where are we looking for this phone number? And you need to make sure that it looks exactly as it does on the website. So you see how we use the 2 dashes here. Sometimes the website's using periods between the numbers or parentheses for the area code. Just make sure that it looks exactly as the phone number looks on the website, or this will not work. So I'm giving you that warning. Call length, how long does a call need to be before it's counted? Let's just say 30 seconds, as long as they're calling for that long. Conversion window, 30 days. If they come to the website and they call that forwarding number within 30 days, it gets counted. A lot of stuff that doesn't matter a whole lot for this situation. And then the next thing we want to do is set up a tag. If you want to set this up yourself, you'll see that your Google tag is right here. Chances are, if you have conversion tracking already set up, this Google tag is already going to be on the page. But if you've never done this before, you'll need to install this on in the header of your website. And then this is your event snippet or the phone snippet. And like it says right here, the phone snippet replaces a phone number on your website with a Google forwarding number, so you can see how effectively your ads lead to phone calls from your website. So this is also going to go between the head tags on your page or website, wherever you'd like to put it. So you click next from there. And that is all you have to do. Now, this is probably the most effective way to track numbers or phone calls that are coming from your website. So I hope this is helpful. We'll see you at the next happy hour, and best of luck out there.